Here at Birch, we know how overwhelming it may be to manage and analyze large-scale creative tests, which is why we're introducing Add Groups mode in Ads Explorer. Add Groups is a report view for structured creative analysis based on your naming conventions. You can group ads based on the name tags, delivery status, and objectives, then zoom out to check the performance at the group level and zoom back in to see the detailed insights for each ad. Whichever grouping method you use for your ad accounts when checking performance, you can apply it in Ads Explorer. For example, to break down ads into different product groups, creative formats, targeting parameters. That means all naming conventions you have for ads, ad sets, and campaigns can be leveraged to form groups for creative performance analysis. Let's look into one use case together. Our creative team is constantly testing different content formats, and currently we're testing ads based on various case studies. So when it comes to performance analysis, it would make sense to group ads that use the same case study together to analyze results inside the group as well as between the groups. So I'm going to create a report for my creative team with group of ads based on content to see which content is performing better as well as which creative works best for each content type. Let's create a new report in Ads Explorer and go for Add Groups. So I'll need 3 groups for 3 types of content. Let's form the groups based on the name tags. Ad name contains a certain text. Now our groups are ready, so we can move on to set conditions. I want to see ads that have some spend for the last 30 days. This is a very basic condition, but if you need something more complex, there are plenty of ways to go about it. You can set filters using metametrics and data from hirers, Wiki reports, and other third-party data connected via Google Sheets. In my final view, I also want to see CPM, CTR, and spend for these ads. And all this data should be displayed for the last 30 days. Now our report is ready and we can zoom in to analyze the performance of each ad in the group. Besides, we can zoom out to the group level and compare the results between different groups. Now it's your turn to try out Ads Explorer report based on the naming conventions in your ad accounts. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates.